For today's learning work, there's two things you need to accomplish. The first is to take the Korean War check-in. The second is to go to the Korean War website and look at the photo galleries. So in your folder today, you'll see that here is your Korean War check-in, and then once you click on this Korean War images, it's going to bring up this History Channel website, and when you scroll down on the left here, you'll see the Korean War pop up. If you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see a table of contents right here. You guys are more than welcome to look at any of the information you want, but what I would like you to open up is the photo galleries right here. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you down. So there's 14 images that I would like you to look at. So you're just going to open up and scroll through the 14 images, and it's just going to give you some different perspectives and viewpoints of the Korean War. And that's all you need to do today for your learning work. We'll see you in class. As always, if you have questions, you can talk to me there or send me a Schoology message.